Hello everybody, today I am doing an unboxing on this beautiful Barbie holiday Barbie 35th anniversary for the holiday Barbie, and I had some of them when I was a kid, so it's fun to see what they come up with every year. And this is last year's because I wasn't the biggest fan of this year's, but I think this doll is very beautiful, so I was happy to find her. It was a Black Friday thing. These are the different ones that came out, and in Sweden we have only in the usual stores we have only seen like this one. I haven't seen the other ones at all. This one is the most pretty. Maybe because all the others have the open mouth smile, and I think she looks more glamorous with her mouth closed. I still have a cold, so please. I'm sorry, my voice is terrible. You can't see through her. She has these Elvis Presley bangs. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So let's see. She is a very beautiful doll, and her dress is very golden, very beautiful. Okay. So let's see how to open without ruining the display box. Is it a possibility? I wonder if there is a stand in this one. Oh, you couldn't. Is it possible to just pull her out? Yes, it works. Wow, that's great. Okay. Wait. She's very beautiful. I don't buy all the holiday dolls if I don't like them, of course I don't, because they are quite pricey. I also got the Tooth Fairy Barbie doll, so I'll do a unboxing of the Tooth Fairy Barbie doll later on. Oh, there's some here. Oh, there is a stand, that's great. That's great, appreciated. See? Let's see what I'm doing really. Oh, wait. Oh, oh, the hair made it. Don't always make me nervous. Oh, that's great. Here are the shoes. They are quite beautiful. It's like a cape sewn to the dress. I'll get it loose a bit. The cape gives me night in a negligee vintage vibes, because I had that dress and it has the same kind of fabric, so that was a bit fun for me, but I'm like an old collector, so I pay attention to things from like old Barbie, vintage Barbie past. Okay, she's very beautiful. I'll get the stand that was loose already. It's great. It had a stand. I couldn't see the stand, but so that was fun. She has a Model Muse body, and okay. You can save the box if you want to and display the doll in the box. You can get it back in, and that's always appreciated. Thank you, Mattel. And this is the Model Muse stand. She has a Model Muse body. That's much better. Okay, so I really like the stars, and I do like her beauty so much. She has almost yellow eyes, like Loki's, my dog, and she's very beautiful. I really like the hair. It's not too gluey. These hairs are sometimes very gluey. It's not too gluey. It's a really nice Elvis Presley kind of haircut. No, but it's a very good look. There's no special headband. It's just regular see-through band in plastic. Easy to replace if it breaks. Gold bracelet. She has nail polish. And well, I do like the dress, and it's easy to take off, easy to put on. This one you have to tie. It's very. I like the earrings. I really do like this doll. This it feels like it's well made, so it's fun. It's fun. It's great that they don't do everything wrong. I'm sorry. No, they do much right, but no. I really love the hair color, the strawberry blonde. What would you call this? Dark blonde. It's a very beautiful blonde hair color. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this doll also. So, bye bye. Wow, wow, wow.